I did not get a picture with me and Andrew. But just to paint a picture, I know that we still have hundreds of you in the various forms of ordering on our Andrew Lessman Today's specials. Do not hang up. Remember, those prices do go away at the stroke of midnight. One of the things that we didn't get to show during our Today's Special presentations with Andrew is actually footage of his factory. And not only are his vitamins completely free of additives, they're actually made with solar energy. And I mention that just because, guess what? You've got your own little private power factory. This is from EcoFlow, and this is what you requested. You said, listen, I want the most powerful that EcoFlow makes. You are looking at the most powerful that we've ever had here at HSN. Not only that, we've got two choices with only a couple hundred in either choice. It will power up basically 99% of what you got. In fact, even your electric cars and your refrigerators and your power tools and everything in between. You can choose it with or without the addition of the solar panel, in which case you're creating your own power. Now, of course, you can recharge this over and over and over, either via your car, your boat, or your RV, plug it into your vehicle, or of course the wall, or even some of those charging stations where people take their Teslas and things like that. But the whole point is, it has been wildly popular, and guess what? All good things must come to an end. There are only a few hundred, I think basically a little more than 200. Oh, it does. Oh, thank you, Steve. Actually, and it is official, this will be the last airing for the weekend. The price actually goes away at the end of June, and frankly, June is almost over. So what we have is what we have, literally like, I think 200 or so in either choice. I have to get him out here. And actually, you know what, Steve, can I double check too? Are we doing VIP financing on this one? Oh, that is great, because I was so obsessed with seeing my friend Andrew Lessman. Time got away from me, but it is on 18-month VIP financing. So that makes it a little over $166 on your credit card, or a little over $170 on your credit card if you are doing the version with the solar panel. And of course, you can also apply and buy on our HSN card. Okay, time has gotten away from me. My poor friend Justin Hyatt has got to be saying, is she ever going to get to me? Hey, that's Tank though. Tank don't mind. He's like, that takes the attention off of me. Daddy don't get to talk to me when he's on TV. So welcome back, Tank. Welcome back, Justin. Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you, everybody. I didn't know that we were gonna have a good. Said, Tank, you're on TV, dude. He doesn't care. He's got his pizza going. He's like, don't bother me right now.
Ironically enough, I chew on that same toy in my own life. We're separated at birth, right?
Do you?
I do.
Now I know what to get you. Now I know what to get you. You're simple. You know, obviously you can see I've got a big boy right here. I've also got another big boy right in front of me. It's all about power, like you were saying with Andrew Lessman. He powers and does all, creates all of his vitamins through solar energy. He's got to have that power source. This is the power source. This is the off-the-grid feeling. This is when you want to go big. If you've ever been on the fence, too, Shannon, thinking that power stations just simply aren't powerful enough for what I need, your Delta Pro, what I've got right here, is the most powerful power station we've ever presented. It's the most powerful that EcoFlow has. It's the newest, and it will power up 99.9% of your home appliances. 99.9% of your home appliances. So what do you have at home? It's your refrigerator, it's your lights, it's your TV for entertainment. We still want to be able to cook our food with our air fryer or microwave. And we're going to show you some examples right here in the list. How about a washing machine? Now, that might not be at the top of the list when you're out of power, but just to know that it has power enough to power up a washing machine, you can do that. That microwave that I was talking about as well, those high wattage appliances. All of the other little accessories that we've got, our phones, our tablets, our laptops, we still need to keep those charged for communication, even an electric vehicle if you can, and all of the little hot appliances like our hot plates, our griddles, maybe it's that air fryer like I was saying. And if you know anybody who works off-site, maybe they want to take this with them so they can power up all of those power tools, the circular saws, the chainsaws, whatever it might be. But what I have here, right here in this room, is kind of an example of how you might use this, because in your house is where you will be using it. Unlike a gas generator, you can't run a gas generator in your home. So if you live in an apartment or condo, that's never been an option. This is an option for you. So I have my TV, my lamp, my AC unit, and my CPAP. And that's right, a window AC unit running 75 degrees. He's not right here because he just loves dad, or he's here because he knows he's got the AC unit blowing on him right now at 75 degrees, okay? Because we also don't know, and thank you, Tank, he knocked my little switcher off right here. You never know. It's a matter of if. It's a matter of if, not a matter of when you're going to lose power, and then all of a sudden, what do? We kind of panic. This is going to power up your life and continue to power up your TV, continue to power up your lamp, continue to power up that AC unit. And here's the cool part. One touch of a button, that's it. I don't have to pull crank. I don't have to worry about, do I have enough gasoline? You know, when's the last time we've used our gas generator? And it gives me every bit of information. And here's the really neat part. It's going to calculate how much wattage I'm using, so roughly about 100 watts. It's saying right now, 23 hours. 23 hours I can power my TV, my lamp, and my AC unit right here at 95%, Shannon, with your Delta Pro. Then when you need to recharge it, it's the fastest recharge rate in the whole entire industry, from 0 to 100% in less than 3 hours. So when your lights come back on, you can plug this back in less than 3 hours, you're going to have power. But that's why we also give you the solar panel option, because of course, if you don't have power, how are you going to be able to charge it? Use that solar panel to recharge it, be self-sufficient, and not have to feel dependent on anything, because now you're going to be completely independent and off the grid with your Delta Pro.
And this is also a forever product. That's the other thing that I want to make clear is you can keep recharging it ad infinitum. I mean, for all intents and purposes, you own your little own private power factory. When we've done EcoFlow and other Deltas in the past, you asked for this. You asked for, listen, I'm going to go big or go home. I want the most powerful, because we're not only talking about powering up the things that we need as essentials of life. And sure, there's the fun stuff, but we've read many reviews about dialysis machines and CPAP machines and nebulizers, things like that. But we are talking about powering things not for a couple hours, but for days, especially if you're choosing the version with the solar panel. Now, we do also have an additional solar panels if you'd like, and additional batteries, in which case, in fact, Justin, if you are still there, if I get that extra battery, in fact, we'll show you the graphics for that as well. That just, you know, gives you more power for whatever you need, basically. Justin,